Artificial intelligence is fundamentally different from traditional production applications, and therefore requires a different, more modern storage architecture. Businesses of every size and industry are investing in artificial intelligence. According to our research, 91% of organizations are making or planning to make significant infrastructure investments to support new AI initiatives. Seeking competitive differentiation, businesses want to leverage their own private or sovereign data, which adds increased data locality and governance considerations, fueling an increased interest in on-premises deployments. Data privacy and sovereignty concerns, along with greater control over AI operations, and the management lifecycle of AI infrastructure assets were the three most common responses as to why organizations are considering on-premises AI initiatives. In addition, the data-intensive nature of AI demands increased scale in both data performance and capacity from the storage infrastructure. With the need for more modern, on-premises storage for AI in mind, I want to highlight what HPE recently announced with the HPE Alletra Storage X10000. The X10000 offers unstructured data storage. It's a software-defined scale-out data system that combines data intelligence services, including automated metadata enrichment, all flash-based high performance, massive scalability, and easy management. It accelerates the time to value of data lakes for analytics, generative AI, and large language models, and enables rapid restore from backups. And the X10000 is managed through the GreenLake interface, the same interface used by HPE's block, file, and object storage services. The X10000 is built on a disaggregated architecture, leveraging a log-structured key value store. Now, the X10000 scales to exabyte level capacities with predictable high performance, and its disaggregated design enables independent scaling of performance and capacity. For further performance optimization with AI, the X10000 also supports NVIDIA RDMA for S3 compatible storage, which allows for RDMA transfers of data directly from the memory of the X10000 system to the memory of the client, which should both greatly improve performance versus TCP and significantly reduce CPU demands. Beyond data performance, one of the most complex aspects of supporting AI is controlling the data. 51% of organizations reported that identifying the right data sets for AI required significantly more effort for AI workloads than for traditional applications. You want to empower AI with massive data sets, but at the same time, poor AI experiences, which can be caused by inaccurate data, will hinder adoption. With this in mind, HPE built a data intelligence engine into the X10000 that provides inline automated contextual metadata enrichment in near real time, along with a data intelligence API and a built-in software development kit, the purpose of which is to simplify the connection of data storage to both vector databases and large language models. In addition to its data intelligence capabilities, HPE has also enabled the X10000 to support agentic AI initiatives with the full integration of a Model Context Protocol server, also known as MCP. MCP uses an open standard, open source framework designed to standardize the way artificial intelligence platforms integrate and share data with external tools, systems, and data sources. With the integration of MCP and X10000's other built-in data intelligence services, organizations can more easily accelerate data pipelines and enable AI initiatives to act on their unstructured private data. The takeaway is that the X10000 represents more than an incremental improvement. It's an architectural paradigm shift that addresses many of the data challenges that plague AI initiatives, whether as a standalone deployment or as part of HPE's turnkey AI factory solution, the HPE Private Cloud AI. Artificial intelligence requires modern infrastructure, and the X10000 is a prime example of the type of innovation that enterprise organizations should consider.